Hi everybody, welcome to Garden of Edie, and today we have a treat for you. Did you see the Why Not video I posted a few weeks ago? It's called Why Not because it's alcohol-free red wine. We call it Cabernet. And if you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. It's super easy and delicious. It looks like red wine and it kind of tastes like it, but it's so filled with antioxidants, it makes you feel so good. You know, but it's celebratory time, and I love to celebrate, don't you? And what do you drink when you celebrate? Well, champagne, right? And there's nothing more elegant and kind of ladylike than Rosé. And we have created a new line of wine knots called Rosé, because when you drink this, your body is gonna say yay. Let me get started and tell you what the recipe is. It's only 4 ingredients. I'm gonna make 2 rosés for you today. 1 sparkling sweet rosé that is made with grapes, strawberries, and the sparkling water. And 1 sparkling brut rosé, or a drier rosé, using raspberries instead of the strawberries with the grapes and the sparkling water. If you like dry, please comment below, and if you like sweet, please comment below, because Garden of Edie is creating a lot of wine knots, and I want to see what you like. In the meantime, this is how you do it. You first wash your grapes and take the stems out, and you juice them through your juicer. And then you wash and take off the stems and cut in half your strawberries so that they'll fit through the chute, and you juice those. With these ingredients, after they are juiced separately, you want to put them through a fine mesh strainer and get rid of all the pulp. Just strain it through there. So let's go ahead and make the sparkling sweet rosé. And by the way, if alcohol's not agreeing with you like it isn't agreeing with me, will you press the thumbs up button? I don't know what's happening, but my body's changing after all these years of going plant-based. Okay, this is how you make it. You start with 2 parts grape juice that's been juiced and strained, and 1 part strawberry juice. Isn't that a beautiful color? And you give it a stir. And we are going to go ahead and make our champagne. Now, this will feed different amounts depending on how big your champagne glass is. You have the smaller ones, this carries a lot more. And then you have the old-fashioned like this. So this will feed a lot. But you know what? I'm going with the bigger one. You know why? Why not? We can drink as much as we want. We can have as much rosé as we want, and we can drink it all day. Why not? This is what I like to do. I like to pour about 1/3 of the glass with a sparkling sweet rosé, and I'm using Pellegrino today because we didn't happen to have Perrier, but I like Perrier with my rosé. Less sodium. And then you pour the rest. Be careful not to overflow. You don't want to miss any of it. Look at that. Sparkling sweet rosé. Now we'll make the brut rosé. That is a 3-to-1 ratio of grape juice to the raspberry puree. I'm just going to pour that in. You can see that's a little thicker and a little darker. I'm going to pour in just 1/3. And then the sparkling water. And you can tell the difference. This is a little darker for the brut and a little lighter for the sweet. And we have to give it a taste, right? So refreshing. And that is really nice and sweet. And the raspberry is a drier, more brut tasting sparkling rosé. So everybody, you gotta try this. Let me know if you do. These drinks are so filled with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. Grape juice is great for your brain, great for your heart. All these things, you're doing your body good every time you take a sip. So happy celebrating, and here's to your health. Rosé!